what we eating on. This Sunday. Woo. Got some ribs, some black beans and rice, and of course a salad on the side. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm having ribs, black beans and rice, and a salad for my Sunday dinner. Now my salad has some croutons, cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, little oniony, give it a little flavor. And of course I'm going to use some ranch dressing today for my salad. Let me fix this can to can so you can see more of it.
No, I'm not choking. The spice guy inside my neck.
Okay. Let me hold that ranch, please. Thank you. For ranch in my... And I have some water. Ice water. I just came on here to show y'all my meal I was making because I got on our new grill and made the ribs outside. So, okay. Now let me say a prayer before I get started. Amen and amen again. If y'all hear something in the background, and I decided to use a paper plate. My daughter is watching her little show. If y'all hear something, her movie in the background, if y'all hear something. It seemed like she just turned it up.
Yeah, because you were talking too loud.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm out of here.
She about to be too. Yes, yes, yes. These rice and beans is everything. Everything, y'all. No. Down some. Yes, this is everything. Rib. I know I'm supposed to at least try to eat my salad first. I'm about to eat it now. That's what I'm going to try to do. I said I was going to try to eat salads more often. But my food because I haven't really been eating salad. More water. I'm drinking more water. Salad banging too. I saw that movie last night. Unremorseful. I know I had something else in the title, but I'll put it across here. That thing was so good. Now, mind you, I used to go to sleep on movies. Every movie I watch, I usually fall asleep on it. I stayed up that entire movie. Oh. And we start watching it late, like 1 something in the morning. Yeah, I wanted to finish it. My husband said, how about we just finish it tomorrow? I just said he's tired. I said, I'm watching it tonight. I don't know about Phil, but he stayed up till excuse me, stayed up and watched the whole entire movie. And it was kind of like an action. I'm not going to talk about every detail of the movie because some people didn't see it yet. I made black beans and rice with this because my daughter loves black beans with the white rice. Excuse me. It's so tender. I love that new grill. The charbroil grill that we bought. I love it. I can do a lot of cooking out there. And that's what I plan on doing. You know it's about to get hot outside, so it's going to be hot in the house. Unless you put your air conditioners on. And that's going to be running all day. So I prefer to start cooking meals outside. I feel so good you can just sit out there late night. Excuse me. Only thing is bugs. Yeah, I can't do the bugs. I cannot do the bugs. It's definitely tick season. and they're going for blood. I just don't want to get mine. Or nobody in this household. Or nobody, period. This thing had those things around. 6. Mm. 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 Ooh. Mm. I was so hungry at the time, and I'm so getting so full fast now. So full. My eyes were bigger than my stomach. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 I really will go out fast. Mm. Pour me some there. Pour me some water in here. Mm. Thank you. I cooked that water. I cooked that water. Whew. Mm. After I get done, I'm gonna go outside and work off some of this food. Oh. Mm. I got it, y'all. I got it. Mm. Who told me to be greedy and grab all this rib? Mm. The little parts be good. This rib was really charcoal on that. The end. Mm. Mm-hmm. That's the crunch. Mm. So he's burping. Mm. This me a wet one. Try to keep these. Alright, y'all. I ate enough with y'all. I'm about to go outside, like I said, and chillax. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll know when I upload the next video. Until next time, see ya.